Welcome to Kitchen and Bakery. Today I'm going to make a dry butter chicken, Chinese style. So this is a chicken of 2 chicken thigh cut into bite size and marinate into use many things: salt, sugar, cooking wine, oyster sauce, pepper, 5 spice, and bit of chicken powder, 1 egg, then the tapioca flour, and also the custard flour. So this marinate for now is about 2 hours plus to 3 hours. So I'm going to deep fry this, and after that deep fry with the garlic and also some red chili with the butter. Then my garlic chicken my butter chicken will be ready. 今天是要做的是很简单，就是牛油鸡。牛油鸡我这个就腌制了，用普通就是我们所用的糖啊、酒啊、盐啊、胡椒粉啊、鸡精粉啊，还有那个五香粉和那个木薯粉，还有无淀粉来腌制，大概2-3个小时。那么我要用油来炸了它，然后就来炒，用牛油来炒这个炒香它，就是那么简单，非常简单的一个菜肴。Okay, now we will put chicken one by one. So put each chicken pieces and fry it, and we must use a medium fire to cook this, because if the fire is too low, then the flour won't be stick to the meat. So we use a medium fire to fry this chicken. 那么现在呢，我们就用中火来炸这个鸡。那个火不可以，油温不可以太低，那个粉会掉出来，所以要用大概足够的火候来炸。Once the chicken has turned into slightly golden brown, and we know that the chicken is cooked, then we have to raise the oil with a high temperature. So we put on the big fire. Then we fry second time, and this frying second time is to remove all the oil from the meat and make the chicken more crispy. 那么我们要做第二次来的油炸，就把已经熟了，我们就要把这油提升到它的油温，然后再来做第二次炸，给它酥脆，也把那个油给它逼出来。This chicken by itself is already very tasty, can eat, but we're going to add butter to cook it with the garlic. 那么这个鸡呢已经很好吃了，但是我们要用那个牛油和那个蒜米和一点辣椒来炒过，那更加好吃。So now we put about 30 to 40 grams of the salted butter to cook. 那么现在呢，我们就把这个牛油这个是有盐的牛油，大概30到40 gram 的牛油，烧给它油。Then we put the garlic. Put our garlic inside and fry, and put the chili. fry the garlic and the chili and butter to a nice fragrance. Then we put the chicken in. 我们把这个蒜米和这个辣椒和 butter 一起炒香了，我们就倒这个井进来 ，OK。